Here, what I have today is a RC helicopter. This one is based by, this one was made by Sky-rover, and it's only 20 bucks or $19 at Target. So it has the warning system. I have this button right here. I have the remote. This lever is to go up. This lever is good to go down. This remote lever is to go forward, backwards, left, and right. These are the buttons, and these two lights don't work. To put the batteries, you need to put 3 AAA batteries. The batteries are not included in the box. So I'll read it. It says, please keep a safe distance from high-speed rotating propellers to avoid injury. And this is the warning system. If you crash this on walls, then this design is gonna break. And I also got a red one. And it's like the same thing as Andy Schrock that his son have in Cincinnati. So I also even have extra propellers, and these, this broke off and it's missing, so you won't be able to fly. If this light runs out of power, it's just gonna run out of balance. So I already turned this on, so I'll show you the steps. You can do this off the ground or on your hand. Let me turn on this helicopter. When you turn it on, it has a light. I like to do it off my hand. You can go forward or you can go backwards. Make sure don't bump this on walls. See, I just landed on the ground. So let's do on the ground. And this is recommended for ages 8 and up, so any kids can play with this. Like 14 and up. You can go forward, or you can go forwards like this, or backwards like this. So stop turning this way, don't turn that way. Let me help to land it in the washing machine. There you go. So I land it in the washing machine. Now let's land it off my hand. You can turn it this way, left. You can spin it this way. You go left. I can spin it to the right. right. If you want to push it down, release it to your hand like this. Like that. So if this propeller broke, you can get another one. I have extras over there. If this one runs out of power, you just have to charge it. So like, comment, and subscribe to one of my videos, like my gaming channel, Melchizedek.2 Gaming, where I play some games. And congratulations to Sky-rover for making this beautiful, great helicopter, RC helicopter. And that's it for the video. Bye.